How to find delete account settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find delete account settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile here, and then just click these three lines in the top and click settings and privacy, and then manage account. And here we'll find delete account, and here you can delete your account. Just manage here anything you want and you can delete it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.